Continuing coverage now, Project Turnkey has another project that it is one step closer to finishing. Newswatch 12's Adam Shooms is tracking the effort. He's live in the studio to tell us how the CARES Act funding is getting directed to Rogue Retreat.
Yeah, Brian, the Medford City Council passed a measure last night to advance the project with more than $420,000. March's state-funded Project Turnkey initiative put the more than $2.5 million toward the purchase and renovation of the Redwood Inn, so it could be turned into emergency housing for displaced wildfire survivors and the homeless. Rogue Retreat took control of the building in April, with the goal of having it being ready by February of next year. Since then, the initiative has received a $450,000 grant from the Medford Urban Renewal Board, more than $120,000 from Providence, and more than $150,000 grant from the People's Bank of Commerce Foundation.
Gratitude is really the biggest thing that we run into. Is a lot of these individuals are people that had lost everything as a result of the Alameda fire, and so being able to have a community kind of rally around them and provide them that support to help lift them back up means everything, because for many of them that's what they're missing in their lives, and so this is what this project is helping bring back to them.
Right now, the project houses 66 fire survivors and more than 15 people dealing with the long-term effects of COVID-19. Building is still in the midst of renovations, with an ultimate goal of providing 48 units, 43 for those in need of housing, 4 for Providence Recuperative Care Concept, and 1 facility manager's office. City Council approved the funding back in June. More than $420,000 includes funding for 3 different areas, like I mentioned, 1 including discharged patients from Providence and planning activities to make a long-term operations plan. So last night, move forward, allows support for these rooms, and hopefully they'll be up and running sometime soon. All the rooms should be up and running by the spring. We're live in the studio tonight. I'm Adam Shooms, Newswatch 12. Brian.